So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text to photo on iPhone. So first of all, you will need to select a photo. So let's go to photos. Once you do, you can see I've just chosen this photo at random. Choose the more actions option, which will be at the bottom of the photo. After that, you will need to use the markup feature within the Photos app. Through here, the markup feature, which will be in the top right corner, you can see this marker or the tip of a marker. Click on that. There you can see the markup of the photo. And once you are at the markup portion of the app, you can go ahead and click at the bottom this little plus sign. Click on that. Through here you can see image description, so you can find that image identified faster. You can add a sticker, you can add text, add a signature, or add a shape. So let's go ahead and click on add text. And you can see a text square opens up. So you can just move it about the picture. So you can see, let's say I want for something to be written on here. And I can just go ahead and click on this AA, which will open some of the features of the text. If I wish to duplicate or just use more options, I can go ahead and use it by clicking the three dots. And if I wish to type something in, I just click on the text itself and then it will open my keyboard for me. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.